Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial for SOP Document Generator for a new and improved Copilot for DevOps v5. In this video, we will be focusing on the functionalities and how to create documents using this tool. The SOP Document Generator in Copilot4DevOps helps users in generating structured documents and guidelines. Here is what the SOP Creator does for you. You can access the SOP Document Generator by simply clicking on the module. You can input specific information about the document that you want to create. For instance, the document type or title. The SOP generator allows users to provide custom instructions to tailor the generated content, specifying the desired output length and conversation style. You can use an existing work item into the SOP by selecting them as references, enhancing the relevance and accuracy of the document, or simply add your own requirements to a prompt. Having the flexibility to define the content structure focus areas ensures that the document aligns with your expectations. Let's show you a SOP document that we created earlier. Here, we use our work item and a specific prompt we created, and then we click on Generate with QA. Here are the results. You can see that a document was created featuring sections and a mermaid code diagram visually illustrating the integration process and the flow of work item attributes. Now let me walk you through how we can easily build this document from scratch using our SOP document created in Copilot4DevOps v5. As I said earlier, all we need to do is click on the tile, and that will lead us to the document generator. For this video, we will disable the selected work item option and create our own prompt. I have written a prompt. Let's bring it around. I'll just copy and paste that in here and say, please assist me in creating an SOP document for risk management in healthcare industry. At this point, we can use the rewrite prompt feature to enhance the effectiveness of our prompt. For more details on the read prompt feature, please refer to our video specifically about the Smart and Rewrite prompt. I'm going to go ahead and use that. Now, what the system is doing is defining or refining our prompt. Once done, so we have two options. We can also insert text block when generating documents by utilizing predefined text blocks. You can ensure consistency, efficiency, clarity, and customization in your documents. We now offer system text blocks as well. For more information on how to create your own or use these text blocks, please refer to our video on text blocks and system text box. We will select a couple of questions here. Along with each question generated, the system provides corresponding explanation and answers. This additional context helps clarify the requirements for stakeholders, ensuring that the information included is comprehensive. Additionally, we can also add extra comments or details as needed. Let's use one where we can bring in an ISO. Please incorporate ISO that are related to the healthcare industry, and let's hit Generate based on your choices. Copilot4DevOps will create an SOP document with sections and a diagram illustrating the workflow. And there you have it. Isn't it lovely? At this point, you can regenerate the document if needed based on your choices. Or you can save the document in MS Word or PDF. Let's bring in a ME Word. You will notice that the tool will automatically generate a table of content for our document, and it will compile all the requested details into a well-structured document ready to be published and shared. This feature gives SOP creators a powerful tool for improving efficiency and ensuring consistency in documentation across projects. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.